fuck, niggas. Listen to what's being said to you. You ain't playing. All you motherfuckers who found all them idiots who were debating and found me because of that, you could get the fuck out now. Or you need to go back and see what I was doing. This ain't that. This ain't that. I don't give a fuck about you. I'm not in no fucking community to speak of. I don't want to save your funky ass. I'll give you information to save yourself, and that's as far as the love goes. Me personally, I don't give a fuck about your personal emotions. Let someone else tell you that bullshit and manipulate because you got fucking parent issues, family issues. Let them niggas run that dark psychology on you with your fucking needs, as I told you earlier today. The shit you need, manipulate you with that bullshit. I'm not giving you what you need. I'm giving you what you're supposed to have. And it's up to you to see if you need it. Otherwise, save all that bullshit. Not me, not mine. I don't do that. I don't give a fuck if you do or you don't. If it don't apply to you, go on in. This is medicine for those who need it. I'm not here to jerk off for niggas to kiss my fucking ass. And I'm not here to kiss your ass and tell you how special you are and what community you in. Now watch all these niggas try to talk to you raunchy. I'm telling you what you need for the betterment of you. These other niggas try to mimic me now and just yell at you. What fucking hacks? What nothing to do ass niggas? Y'all wasn't even talking none of this shit before. Now everybody got my fucking philosophy because everybody else shit failed. But then I'd rather that than nothing. Because it ain't about me and my credit. If that's what's going to take, even though it's whack-ass manipulation of my fucking philosophy, and it's not just my philosophy. I just accepted and adopted the occult philosophy, which is not mine. It's a studyable mentality about a mindset to have to study this material. Bobby Hemmett had it and passed it on to me. And I've said it probably the most aggressively in terms of the occult. And now all of a sudden everybody's philosophy is you need to do it yourself. Before they was here to save your funky ass. Now that failed, ain't no schools open, ain't no fucking centers, ain't no spaceships come down. You still feel fucked up and sick no matter how much fucking sea moss you eat. Your only way out of this motherfucker is through death, nigga, and understanding it. So busy trying to live here. You pass through this. I don't try to live on a subway system, nigga. I use it to get to a destination. You're in a chakra system, bitch. You're in a chakra system fucking creation. You're traveling now, you stupid dummy. Trying to make a house here. Once we get in the fucking metaverse, watch this shit, nigga. Only reason I'm going to metaverse is to find some hoes. Come on, Khadijah, let's go get some hoes in the metaverse. Other than that, nigga, get the fuck on. Taking yourself like a fool. I get what you need to do to entertain yourself. Cryptocurrency, make $1 out of 15 cents. You niggas are believing in that shit. And that's what's real. Y'all believe in that shit. This goddamn foolish mule shit. Tired of you dumbass chat you right about nothing. Yeah, that's why I don't eat fish sticks, Panic. I always knew in my heart. My spirit told me not to eat fish sticks. Fuck do I care? Then don't eat them. Don't eat them. Oh, yeah. Hack ass niggas. There's a lot of hack niggas now because they don't have you nothing to teach. I want you to watch that. All these niggas sitting in front of you, see if they teach you something or if they tell you something to help your ego and self-esteem. You are special, and the specialness is in you. When you choose to be special, then your specialness will show. And then they leave. Nothing. Goddamn self. You know you don't want to learn. You want your self-esteem appeased. You want your self-esteem appeased.